How to buy Norexa token. So this token came under the symbol of NRX. Now before we start, this is not financial advice, I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, before going on by this token, make sure to check the X account and keep following their updates about this token. So as you can see, this token, it's available on the screener. It's created 15 hours ago and increased by 13,000% in the last 24 hours. So to be able to buy this token, what you need to do is just click here to copy the token address and open your Bitget wallet for that, as you can see. So after that, go to your wallet and from the top right corner, click here and make sure to set the Ethereum network. Now just click on this plus icon and now you can paste the token address in the search button. As you can see, this is our token. Now before going and add this token to your wallet, make sure to read that risk. So if you are ready to go, now just click on this plus icon to add it to your wallet. Now go back to your wallet and keep searching until you find your token that you just added called NRX. So after you find it, what you need to do, as you can see, now click on it. Now click on swap, switch from here, and from the top you can select the token that you want to buy with, for example, USDT, and now you can type here how much you want to buy, as you can see. So this is how much you will be able to receive that token, as you can see here. Now after that, click here on swap and you will be able to find this token or buy this token on your wallet. So this is how to buy NRX token. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you next video.